Want to know the secret to flawless, youthful skin that doesn't cost a fortune? This DIY face mask, made for just 25 cents, will tighten, brighten, and rejuvenate your skin better than any luxury cream. It fades scars, fights acne, and leaves you glowing with a game-changing ingredient you'll never guess. This video is quick, packed with glow-up power, and you'll want to watch to the end. Let's get started. What you'll need: 1 egg, both white and yolk, for a 1-2 punch of skin benefits. 1 teaspoon organic plain yogurt, unsweetened, for a happy skin microbiome. 1/2 teaspoon raw honey, nature's hydrator and acne fighter. Step-by-step guide. Mix it up. Crack an egg. Separate the white and yolk into a bowl. Whisk the white until frothy, then blend in the yolk, yogurt, and honey until creamy. Apply. Smooth a thin layer over your face with clean fingers or a brush, avoiding eyes and mouth. Relax for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries and feels tight. Rinse. Gently wash off with lukewarm water. Pat dry with a soft towel, and check out that glow. Repeat. Use 2 to 3 times a week for radiant results. Why this mask rocks egg? White, firms skin, shrinks pores, and smooths fine lines for a youthful lift. Egg yolk, loaded with vitamins A, D, E, and choline to nourish, repair, and fade dark spots. Yogurt, probiotics calm redness and boost skin's natural defenses, perfect for acne. Honey, hydrates, fights bacteria, and promotes healing for a dewy, even tone. The glow-up secret. Ready for the game changer? Add a pinch of turmeric to your mask. This antioxidant-packed spice, rich in curcumin, brightens dull skin, reduces inflammation, and evens out hyperpigmentation. Use just a pinch to avoid staining, and watch your skin light up like never before. Supercharge your skin from within. For next-level results, glow from the inside out. Eat eggs daily. 2 to 4 eggs cooked in olive oil, butter, or coconut oil. Skip seed oils like canola. Eggs deliver biotin, zinc, and protein for radiant skin. Stay hydrated. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to keep skin plump and clear. Load up on veggies, carrots, sweet potatoes, and kale pack beta-carotene and vitamins for a natural glow. Why this beats expensive? Creams. This all-natural mask is dirt cheap, customizable, and works for every skin type, acne-prone, aging, or dull. It delivers powerful nutrients directly to your skin, outshining pricey products. Use it 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll see tighter, brighter, healthier skin fast. Your glow-up starts now. Grab an egg, yogurt, honey, and a pinch of turmeric, and let's make your skin shine. Comment below if you try this or have your own DIY hacks. Like and subscribe for more budget-friendly beauty secrets.